The Tesla Model 3 rear defroster uses an electrically heated grid embedded in the rear windshield to prevent fogging and icing. This system is powered by the car's 12 volts auxiliary battery and consists of three key components working together. The core component is the rear window heater grid, a thin, transparent, resistive heating element embedded in the windshield. When activated, it draws 10 to 15 amps to warm the glass and clear condensation or ice. Power comes from the car's 12-volt auxiliary battery system, which provides the electrical current needed to heat the grid. A 15-amp fuse in the fuse box protects the circuit from electrical overloads or shorts. The switch is integrated into the touchscreen climate controls, allowing you to activate the defroster. These components work together. Activating the switch closes the circuit, the fuse protects against faults, and current flows to heat the grid. The wiring diagram shows how they're connected. When the defroster isn't working, check the fuse first, then test the switch and ensure software is up to date. Before diving into repairs, start with basic troubleshooting. Check the Tesla app for error codes related to the body control module BCM. Inspect the rear window heater grid for any visible cracks or damage, though this is rare. Try a soft reset by holding down both the brake pedal and power button for 30 seconds. This can resolve minor software glitches. A blown fuse is a common cause of rear defroster failure in Tesla Model 3 vehicles. The defroster system is protected by a 15-amp fuse that can fail due to electrical shorts, overloads, or component wear. To check the fuse, first locate the fuse box. In Tesla Model 3, this is typically under the hood or in the rear trunk area. Open the hood or trunk to access it. Once the fuse box is open, consult your owner's manual to identify the correct fuse. Look for a label such as defrost or rear defrost. This fuse is usually a 15-amp type and is located in a specific position within the box. Inspect the fuse visually. Use a fuse puller to remove it carefully. Check for a broken or disconnected filament inside the fuse. A good fuse has an intact filament, while a blown fuse will have a gap or break in the wire. If the fuse is blown, replace it with a new 15-amp fuse of the same type. Use the fuse puller to insert the new fuse into the correct slot. Make sure the replacement fuse matches the amperage and physical specifications. After replacement, close the fuse box and test the defroster. Activate it through the climate controls or touchscreen and observe if the rear window begins to clear fog or ice. If it works, the issue was likely the blown fuse. Software glitches can sometimes prevent the defroster from activating, even if the hardware is fine. Ensure your Tesla software is up to date, as Tesla frequently releases OTA updates that address electrical system issues. In late 2025, Tesla released V13.0, which includes enhanced diagnostics. If problems persist, consider scheduling a remote diagnostic appointment through the Tesla app or service center. Less common but still possible is a malfunctioning defroster switch. This switch, integrated into the climate control panel or touchscreen, activates the rear window heater grid. Software glitches can sometimes mimic a faulty switch, making diagnosis important. If a simple fuse replacement doesn't resolve the issue, use a multimeter to check for continuity in the switch. First, ensure safety by disconnecting the battery or making sure the vehicle is off. Access the switch wiring following the service manual. Set the multimeter to continuity mode and test the switch contacts. Continuity means the electrical path is complete. If the continuity test fails, indicating the switch is faulty, you'll need professional help. Contact a Tesla service center for replacement or further troubleshooting. They have the expertise to diagnose and replace the switch component safely. If you've checked the defroster fuse, attempted a software reset, and the defroster still isn't working, it's time to consult a Tesla service center. The issue could stem from a more complex problem with the BCM, the rear window heater grid itself, or other electrical components. Avoid DIY repairs beyond basic troubleshooting to prevent further damage. To minimize defroster issues, keep your Tesla software updated. Regular updates include enhanced diagnostics for electrical components, like the heating grid, helping detect potential problems before they become serious. Avoid aftermarket modifications that could strain the electrical system. Custom roof racks or accessories might cause shorts or overload the circuits, leading to fuse failures or BCM issues. Stick to Tesla-approved parts to maintain system integrity. In regions with extreme cold, consider using heated wipers in conjunction with the defroster. Heated wipers prevent ice accumulation on the blades, ensuring clear visibility without overloading the rear heating grid. Keep the rear window clean to avoid unnecessary strain on the heating grid. Dirt, salt, or debris can cause uneven heating, potentially leading to hot spots or premature wear on the resistive elements. Tesla is constantly evolving its defroster technology. Future software updates, such as version 14.0 expected in early 2026, will incorporate AI-driven diagnostics that predict heater failures based on usage data. This shift towards software-centric fixes will allow proactive maintenance, reducing the need for manual troubleshooting. Upcoming Tesla models are expected to incorporate all-glass roofs, which will naturally distribute heat more evenly across the vehicle's surface. This innovation reduces the need for traditional rear defrosters, as the glass itself can help prevent fogging and icing. Sustainability trends point to energy-efficient heating grids made from graphene instead of traditional wires. These advanced materials could reduce power consumption by up to 40%, while significantly extending the lifespan of defroster components. Looking further ahead to around 2030, Tesla may implement laser-heated windows. This technology uses focused laser beams to provide precise, efficient heating, potentially offering superior defrosting performance compared to current resistive grids. Tesla aims to phase out manual maintenance by 2028, with autonomous service bots capable of performing automated repairs and diagnostics. This innovation will handle complex tasks like fuse replacements and component checks without human intervention. Together, these technological advancements will deliver more reliable and efficient defroster systems, enhancing the overall Tesla ownership experience.